My friend made $4,000 last week using this. Why AI in business is about execution, not tools. Boston University. Here is exactly how. Here are the 3 things you need to know right now. Number 1. Why AI in business is about execution, not tools. And NBSP. And NBSP. Boston University. Number 2. Early users of this technology are saving 4 hours per day, automating entire workflows, and making money while they sleep. This is not hype. This is happening right now. Number 3. The window to get ahead of this is closing fast. Every day you wait, someone else takes the advantage. The people acting on AI news today are the ones who win tomorrow. Here is what I want you to do right now. Subscribe to this channel. We post every single day, so you never miss a breakthrough like this. Then go try one AI tool this week. Just one. The results will speak for themselves. Drop a comment below. Tell me the one task you wish AI could do for you. I read every single one.